Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished it. Yes, I finished it. Are you sure? Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. What time will you come back? What time will you come back? By evening. By evening. Is this your first time? Is this your first time? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What's the problem? What's the problem? There is no problem. There is no problem. Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What should I do? What should I do? Just to wait. Just to wait. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. Did you call him? Did you call him? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean exactly that. I mean exactly that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I am thinking about work. I am thinking about work. Is this important? Is this important? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Did you understand the question? Did you understand the question? Yes, I understood it. Yes, I understood it. Where have you been all day? Where have you been all day? I was at work. I was at work. Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What do you usually do in the evening? What do you usually do in the evening? I usually rest or watch videos. I usually rest or watch videos. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for a call. I am waiting for a call. Is anyone at home? Is anyone at home? Yes, everyone is home. Yes, everyone is home. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? Yes, I locked it. Yes, I locked it. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? I want to say something important. I want to say something important. Are you feeling better now? Are you feeling better now? Yes, much better. Yes, much better. What's going on here? What's going on here? Nothing much. Nothing much. Have you met him before? Have you met him before? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where should I go? Where should I go? Go straight and turn left. Go straight and turn left. What are you afraid of? What are you afraid of? I am afraid of making mistakes. I am afraid of making mistakes. Did you check the message? Did you check the message? Yes, I checked it. Yes, I checked it. Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that? Yes, that's fine. Yes, that's fine.